Okay, so we're gonna do the unboxing here of the DJI Neo. It just arrived. The FedEx person just left it outside. Very, very light. That's it here. Let's put this away. And here it is. Box away. This away. So this is very, very small. So let's open this little sucker here, the DJI Neo. So this is, it was just released this week, and I should be one of the first to actually receive it as a person who is purchasing the product. I'm not reviewing. I did not get a sample. I actually paid for this, and I'll show the order. I bought it with Best Buy instead of doing it via the DJI website, and I'll let you know at the end why. So I'm gonna open it here. Okay. It opens on the top. Okay, like this. So let's see here what comes inside. The drone is very small, size of my hand, and it comes inside this little plastic. I also have, what is this here? It's some replacement spare propellers. We got 2 of those. We got some cables and a small screwdriver. And we got some material here from DJI. And of course the silica gel here. So let's see here. This drone, the big advantage, if you don't know, is that you can see there's no controller. So you can use controllers, and actually you can also use your cell phone, but you don't need any. So I'm going to open here. And here it is. So 135 grams, I think. Almost half of the size of the DJI Mini. So let me get the DJI Mavic Mini so you guys can take a look at the difference. So this is more or less the difference of both. This is the Mavic Mini, and this is the DJI Neo. So I'll be testing it. I'll make some other videos. Please follow. And meanwhile, just let me tell you, as I promised, why I bought it on the Best Buy site and not on DJI. Well, first of all, the date of delivery was faster with Best Buy. And the other thing, the price is basically the same with taxes. Was $199 plus tax. And the other thing is that I find Best Buy return policy very good, or if there's a damage or something, or if it's not working properly, it's easy to me to go to Best Buy and get a refund or exchange it for a new one, things of that sort. I'm not very experienced with working with the DJI website, so that's the reason that I got it via Best Buy, because of the physical store I have near my home, and the price is the same, so I went that direction. And fortunate, because on DJI they said they would deliver it next week, and I got this 3 days within the release of the DJI Neo. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a like so I can continue to do these videos. Bye-bye.